Good day, managers. I'm Christian is Diamante, but you can call me Chris. 22 years old, single, lives in Zone 6, Patag, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. A student of Governor Mariano E. Villaperti Community College in Libmanan. I'm here hoping that choosing to be part of your scholar team. I can play the whole day until I can reach my daily quota. To be honest, I don't have any experience in playing Axie Infinity, but I am a gamer. I play online games like COC, Clash of Clans, Mobile Legends, and other online games. And to the help of my cousin, they teach me on how to play an Axie, and they they teach me the best way to play, and they teach me best way strategy to build an Axie, grind battle, and play with others. And I have a little bit know in Axie that having a two account is forbidden or a immediately banned, and do not look any manager, because in every one scholar have, have a one only manager. And my stable internet connection is mobile data, and my course in college is electronics. And if I choose in scholars, it can be helpful to me because I'm a college student. It can helpful to me in financial aspects, because I am a first year college, and I will do my best in playing Axie. And that's all. I hope you choosing me as a one of your scholar. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.